So we are living in a digital world, and this is an opportunity for us that it is far more easier than ever to develop our skills and become a master of any skills. Now, how we are going to become a master of in our field and dominating? The answer is simple. What you have to do is just don't stop learning. And now you'll say, hey, I'm learning every day. Now what's new in this? So now listen carefully. Every learning thing has a limit somewhere or has an altitude, and once you grab that much knowledge, then you can dominate. Now what does that mean? Now let's take an example of my field. In a digital world, to become a dominator, you need to master some skills like sales, marketing, content creation, or else. Now in marketing, let's take Facebook marketing. To become a master in Facebook marketing, what should I do? What I'm going to do is I will buy courses which are easily available on internet. I'll start implementing. And now the main part, what you have to do is to buy 3 to 5 great courses on same topic. That means I'm going to buy 3 to 5 Facebook mastery courses, not at once. You know the pricing, 499, triple 99, or max to max 2000, and this will help you to understand what other coaches are teaching people and important what they are not teaching. So because the base is going to remain same, Facebook marketing, only there may be few strategies, like anything, because teachers who are creating these courses also have limited knowledge of that particular course. Once you go through few courses, you'll understand what is going in the market. So what is the depth of the people, what is the depth of coaches that are teaching this stuff, and that's the time you have to break it. So come with something, create something that has never been in the market, because once you know that everyone is playing at this level, you bring something out of the box. If I want to dominate in YouTube coaching, then I'll buy few courses from great YouTube courses, and I'll mark a level here that every coach is teaching up to this level, and I need to create something for audience which is newer than this and better than this. The base is going to remain same, but create something above this level. Now creating such level is easy or not, it totally depends on you, how much efforts you take and how you think and act. It's simple how you can stand out. Either you're different than others or you have more than others. Example, there are 2 spoken English classes in your colony. Now you want to start one. Now observe what is their level of teaching, and once you can able to find the limit, the altitude, then this is it. Like, okay, they are not teaching above this level, boom, you can actually start with this level as well. So if you can, everybody has a limit. Catching that limit and making better than that limit is totally depend on the competitor on the other side. You find out how they are doing it, you can better than them. Try to understand, this is the simplest way to dominate, and you have to take the efforts. Just go.